It's fall, baby! And that means it's mum season. Chrysanthemums, aka mums, are quintessential fall flowers. They're usually the last plant to bloom before frost. They've been cultivated in China since the 15th century. There are many species of mums, hundreds of varieties, and thousands of hybrids. But the fans of mums, that's limitless. Mums come in a rich tapestry of colors. My personal favorite is maroon and orange because what's a hokey? I am. They're very easy to grow and they can be used in both beds or planters. There are garden mums and florist mums, and the difference between them is hardiness. Garden mums are robust perennials that are meant to be planted outside and live there year-round. Florist mums are indoor plants and therefore weak. If you're using a mum as a perennial, you want to plant in early spring. If you do plant in fall, make sure it's 6 weeks before the first killing frost. And remember, you only need to plant a perennial once. Mums grow best in the sun, they need well-drained soil, and they need to be watered often because their roots are really shallow. When it comes to fall, mum's the word. This is Beginning Hows with Paul. Cheers.